people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm doing hairstyles for parties/events. That's why I'm wearing a nice dress. This is probably going to be the first and only time I put this on because I have no friends who will invite me anywhere. It can't have just been me thinking, insert self-deprecating joke here. Anyway, let's get on with the video. First of all, take out a random piece of hair to make it more messy. Basically, we're going to be doing the Katniss braid, but we're doing a bun at the end. And to start the Katniss braid, you make sure that you're just doing a regular Dutch braid on your side, and then once you start to get towards the back of your head, you turn around and then you move the positions of your hands. And I know that's kind of difficult, and this is not the easiest hairstyle to do, but it does take practice and practice and practice. So yeah, you're getting towards the part where you go to the back of your head, and then once you do that, make sure that you put your left arm over your head, and then you take one little strand of hair and just carry on the braid. Just carry on the Dutch braid. So take that piece of hair, make sure it's the middle section, and then you kind of do the braid. And you just carry on doing it. So obviously do a regular stitch and then add two pieces to the sides. And once you get to this part, it's much harder to make it tight. So now you're up to this part and you just carry on the Dutch braid. And I know that your arms will get really tired, but just practice, 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 practice. Katniss Everdeen would be proud of you. Sorry, that was kind of a bad joke. Kinda, a really bad joke. So now we're getting to the last part of the braid, and this is the part where you just turn around and you do a regular braid instead. And that seems really easy, right? Right. I think at this point you get an excuse to be really lazy, so just take really large sections, and once you get to that, you know, the other side where I left a piece of hair, once you get to that part on the other side, just do a regular braid and then you're finished, but not quite yet because you have to do a bun after that. But if you don't want to do a bun, you don't have to do a bun. But this is part of their hairstyle. And I know you can't see me, but I've moved my arms like 10 times. So now you're just turning it into a bun, and at this moment bobby pins are going to be your best friend, because right now the bun doesn't look amazing, but once you just fix it up with a bunch of bobby pins, it looks really cool. And that's hairstyle number 1. The side part looks more cool, so just leave a section, and then you take a little piece of hair and split it into two. And we're doing a French twist, but first you twist the two pieces and do that normally, how you normally do a regular twist, and then you twist them again, and you take two pieces of hair. It's kind of like you're doing a French twist, which you are, but it's like similar to, you know, a French braid, and that's pretty easy. So every time you take a section of hair from both sides, you twist it, and you add another, and you keep doing that over and over again. So one more time, twist, add two pieces, and then keep doing that over and over again until you get to the bottom. That's how the twist should look. You can leave it like this, but you're going to a party, not school. So just keep like moving it around and put it where you think goes well, and just pin it up. Pin it in the right places, but I'm gonna go off camera in like a sec to fix it up properly. I'm gonna go fix it up more. The finishing result. This one's really easy. What you gotta do, sweep your hair to the side and pin it so it stays in place. So I'd use probably about 1 to 3 bobby pins. 1, 2, 3. You could curl it and stuff, but I can't be bothered. So for this part, all you're doing is a regular ponytail, but you're flipping it over. Make sure that you take out two sections at the front to make it look a bit messy but elegant at the same time, if that makes sense. It really doesn't. I don't know why I said that. So make sure you loosen the ponytail up and then create a hole so you can just flip the ponytail through it. And that's it. It's pretty easy actually. So here's me just flipping the ponytail through, and that's it. Ah, my ugly face. So for this part, all you're doing is taking two pieces of hair from the front and just tying that back, and then you do that again. And doing that again literally just makes it the whole hairstyle. It looks kind of different. I said kinda. Yo, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please get a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, turn on my post notifications so you don't miss an upload from me. And yes, I have been distracted, so this kind of took me 4 hours. Sorry, not sorry. That's all I have to say, so I'll see you all next time. Bye!